Managing construction projects can be overwhelming. What if there was a better way? Meet OConstruction, your all-in-one construction project management software. Collaborate in real time, on site or in the office. Stay updated anytime, anywhere. Track progress, manage resources, and stay on budget. Streamline every step of your project with data-driven insights. Whether it's one project or an entire portfolio, OConstruction keeps you organized. Stay ahead of maintenance with integrated equipment tracking. Send site updates and status to project managers using mobile app. Approve payments, track expenses, and stay on budget without the hassle. Instantly report safety issues, incidents, and site hazards. Visualize your project timeline with interactive Gantt charts and manage tasks. Keep your team aligned through instant updates and project changes.